Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is my 2023 Tesla Model Y and it's brand new tires on it. First snow here in Canada, and it's pro contact. They have this all season tires. They say you don't need winter tires with all-wheel drive. So today I'm going to take it out on a spin. This is the description of the tires. You can see here they're good for all seasons, good traction. So let's test them out. So pulling out of the driveway, didn't have much snow there on my street. It was kind of slippery, but way better grip on the road. Just a reminder, I'm coming from a Model 3, recently upgraded to a Model Y, and the driving with Model 3, I had a rear wheel drive. It was really bad in winter. I couldn't even drive at some places. It would struggle uphill badly. With Model Y, so far there's no need of slip start option, and I feel the all-wheel drive really helps gripping on the road with dual motors in the car, which are really strong, so it gets you off. You will not get stuck in a situation where there's a pile of snow. On purpose, I went in parking lots where there's a lot of snow to test it out, and I had no issues. And even the batteries were cold. The regen braking was like temporarily not as strong as usually, like the error comes on the screen, or the message I should say, but it was working amazing with regen braking in such conditions. So here you can see the roads are plowed. It is way less snow, and in these conditions I would say any vehicle with all-wheel drive would perform good. The roads are clean, barely any snow. You should have no issue. There's nothing special Tesla's doing here, but you still have that instant torque. If you feel another car is slipping who'd have summer tires still on, or for some reason, you can get away from them real quick. In my opinion, if you are looking into a Tesla or electric vehicle, make sure you go for all-wheel drive. I had a rear wheel drive experience, and that is even with the internal combustion engine. They're really bad with such conditions, so it's better to have all-wheel drive. All season tires, if they're brand new, would work for you for a couple of years, maybe 3-4 years as well, but it's better to get winter tires. They do help with traction when it comes to stopping the car. I'm gonna drive around and look for worst roads which we can possibly drive on. Currently it's a lot of windshield, which is making it really cold, so tires are still cold, batteries are cold. So this road is like full of snow, and this is like frozen ice basically. So the brakes or regen braking have very bad performance here. That's why I mentioned earlier, snow tires, it's still very important. Even though you have an all-wheel drive, dual motor, whatever, snow tires I'll highly recommend if you want to keep yourself safe and others on the road. On this stop sign, I was struggling to brake even with a very low speed, you can see. So this was my driving experience with Tesla Model Y, all-wheel drive, dual motor in Canada in winters under terrible conditions. I hope this video helped you. If you're more interested in Tesla content and vlogs and stuff, make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like, it really helps me. I'll see you guys until next one.